In this tutorial we are going to continue with the third chapter. Okay, so functions of DBMS. So in the last tutorial also I have taught you about this. So what are the functions? That reduces data redundancy, means duplication of data is removed. Okay, then next is eliminates inconsistency, means if same data is repeated then it is eliminated. Okay, the next enhance data security, means databases are more secure. The next concurrent access by multiple users, means many users can access the same database. The next provides backup and recovery, so it gives the option of backup and recovery. Okay, the next give one word answer for the following. So the database contains multiple tables of data that are related to the tables of other databases. So this is mainly the DBMS, RDBMS. Okay, the next row in a table is known as a record, then column in a table is known as a field, then software that helps to manage large amount of data are known as database management systems. The next, starting with Access 2016. So how to start it? Click on the start, then click Access 2016. So if you don't have Access 2016, you can access to any versions of MS Access. The next, create a blank database. How you can create a blank database? First of all, on the opening screen, click blank desktop database, this one. Then next, a blank desktop database dialog box appear. Then you have to give a file name. Then next, you have to select the folder where you want to save the database. Then click on create. After clicking the create, a new database is created with a blank table titled table 1. So when the database is created, automatically a table is created with the name table 1. This is the datasheet view, so it will be shown in a datasheet view. The next, using online templates. So how can you use an online template? So first of all, you have to search for online templates. So you have to select search for online template. Then to download online templates, you have to be connected to the internet. The next, to download an online template, follow these steps. On the opening screen, click on the category of templates under the search for online templates. So under the search for online templates, you have to click on the category. Okay, then select from a list or type a word. So you have to select from a given list, or you can type a word for which you want to select or you want to get a database. Okay, then type in the new file name in the file name text box. So you have to give a new file name in the file name text box. Then click the folder icon to browse the location of the folder where you want to save the database. Then you have to select the folder where you want to save the database, and you have to click on create. Okay, so in this way, this is a screenshot. In this way you can create a database, search for online database, and then create from it. Okay, so in the next tutorial we will learn about the components of MS Access. Thank you.